What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Zach. Welcome back here to the channel. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you guys do that down below and hit that like button as well. So this is the time in cryptocurrency. What am I talking about? Well, we went through a brutal bear market in 2022, had a nice little resurgence here to close out the month of January, and now we await to see what happens next in cryptocurrency. But no matter what here, when we zoom out, guys, we are so early when it comes to a new technology being adopted, right? Diffusion of innovations theory or diffusion of innovations model is a very, very interesting model that showcases how new technologies are adopted over time. And right now, we're still at the beginning phases of that bell curve. We're still just right around 5% of people invested in cryptocurrency. The next phase, on average, of the bell curve makes up the early majority period, or right around 15% of new people coming into crypto. So that means if you're in crypto right now, you're in before the early majority. And then the next phase is the late majority, which makes up a large chunk. And then we've got the people who lag behind. The point is, don't beat yourself up over timing the market perfectly right now, because no matter what, dollar cost averaging, in my opinion, is a great strategy to deploy. You're going to catch some bottoms, catch a little bit of some peaks, but all in all, prices are still far less than they were in the top of the bull run in 2021. And when you zoom out to 2025 and beyond, really into 2030, if you're looking at crypto as a long-term asset, long-term holds in your portfolio to 2030, you're going to love just taking it nice and slow and dollar cost averaging. You're going to have some nice dips. You can always buy a little bit more when we get a big dip. Right now, we're still above 23,000. You know, when Bitcoin was down there at 16, 17,000, maybe you deploy a little bit more money every time you buy, whether that's every week, every month, every day, right? Personally, right now, I'm buying a little bit every single day, very small amounts every single day of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And of course, I'm in other different cryptocurrencies, but those are the top two by market cap. They make up a huge, huge lion's share of the overall crypto market. And I want to just DCA into both of those because those are going to be my largest assets that I hold on to for the long term. So no matter what, guys, this is our time in crypto. Don't overthink it. There's tons of great opportunities. And right here on this channel, we're going to be keeping you locked in on all the news and information. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below. Appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video.